Replace batteries on a First Alert or BRK detector. This video will show you how to replace the batteries on a First Alert or BRK detector. Some First Alert and BRK alarm models run on a 9-volt battery, while others require AA batteries. We recommend replacing your old batteries with new Duracell or Energizer batteries. The batteries should be replaced once per year or when you hear a low battery chirp, whichever occurs first. To access the battery compartment, first remove the detector from its mounting bracket. To replace a 9-volt battery, push down on the plastic tab to gently open the battery compartment. Remove the old battery. Look at your 9-volt battery to identify the positive and negative contacts. When installing the battery in your alarm, make sure they match the same polarity in the battery drawer. The negative side has a larger opening in the back of the battery drawer, so it will only fit one way without forcing it close. Insert the new battery into the compartment with the positive contact closest to the center of the detector. The negative contact should be closer to the outside of the detector. Gently close the battery compartment. If it won't close, the battery may be facing the wrong direction. To replace AA batteries, pull out the compartment using your finger. Gently remove each battery from the compartment. Insert the new batteries, making sure they snap completely into the battery compartment. Match the terminals on the ends of the batteries with the terminals on the detector. Gently close the battery compartment. Lastly, test the detector by pressing the Test Silence button to ensure it is working properly.